Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video, I have got my Traxxas Slash two-wheel drive out with me, aka the cheapest Traxxas Slash Project. I'm traveling for work. I'm in Missouri right now. I'm about an hour southwest of St. Louis. And I found this really cool park that I decided to stop at. And I had this Slash in the car. I decided to go ahead, pull it out, and I'm going to do some ripping. Got a nice little kind of gravel parking lot right here to rip around in. And I don't know, just have a bunch of fun. So I'm going to be running on 3S. So let's go ahead and jump right in this video. Whoa! I need to be careful. I'm getting rock shot right at me. It's hard to keep this thing going straight. Ooh! These are definitely not the tires for hooking up, that's for sure. Also, guys, if you're enjoying this type of content, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. I put a lot of time and effort into making these videos, and anytime you guys are hitting that thumbs up button, I really do appreciate it. Pumpkin. Somebody smashed a pumpkin there. We can jump over this. This is kind of like a natural, well, not natural, but like there's a pile of gravel right here. We can kind of jump up into the, I don't know, just, we can do something. Nice. Can I get back down though? That's the question. I think I can. Two-wheel drive life. Nope, gonna have to grab it. Definitely not a crawling machine either. Ooh. Over the curb. Off-road. Hopefully those Proline shocks can hold up this kind of abuse. Wheelie! Gotta get her tip back over. My antenna fell out. Oh well, that's no big deal. On the rocks. Slash two-wheel drive is just a ton of fun, guys. It's a really fun RC. Nice. Save that one. Ooh. Ah, crap. I gotta go get it. Alrighty, get her flipped back over and keep on going. I love the Slash two-wheel drive, just a heck of a lot of fun. Ah, tipped it again. Let's jump this pile again. That's the thing I want to do again. Because jumping's so much fun. And here we go. Ah, tumbled her. All right, get her flipped over. Spin around, we'll bring it right at us. Here we go. Alright, I'm going to get further up here, and we'll bring it back up this way and try to jump it. Try to get it lined up. Once again, here we go. Nope, looking good. What if we can jump her up right here? Maybe. Probably not though. She just powers her way through stuff, guys. Nice! Caused like a rock slide. Nearly escaped getting hit by that. Oh! Wheelies. Uh-oh, guys, and if that's what I think it is, we just stripped this spur gear again. Pretty sure that's what happened, guys. I'm pretty sure I just stripped out that brand new spur gear. Maybe I'll have to do a metal replacement, I don't know. But anyway, guys, I gotta keep on moving. I gotta get back home from work. But if you did enjoy the video, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Later. Check that out, a little gecko. There it is right there. There it goes.